Hey, good day. So we have another episode of Slaburday Saturday here. I have Emily with M's Woodwork. She had us pick up these logs here when we delivered her epoxy. And tell us about this. Where'd you get this wood and stuff like that?
So this wood is off of my the property that I have my shop on. So we've got an elm tree, catalpa tree, and an ash tree here. And these were logs that were either dead or just need to be taken down for a safety hazard. So now we're gonna get them slabbed up.
So this one you plan to make some slab? Are you doing slabs out of all of them?
I think we're gonna do slabs.
One's a mantle, right?
Yeah, the catalpa might be turned into a mantle. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna slice off the first piece and then I'm gonna kind of peel it out and see what it looks like in there.
So we're gonna start with the big one here in front. So we have just about 13 foot. On our crotch we have 32, so we'll barely have to trim it at all, and we'll be able to make some nice wide slabs. So we're gonna pull this up, like here, like always, we like that crotch figure. So we're gonna slab it this direction, so you get all that character running right down the center. Yep.
So
let's get started. So I got 5 cuts out of this. This log I was able to fit. Rather than rotating it over and over and over, we did as many cuts as we can. And then rather than manhandling it, I'm just gonna scoop the whole log up, set it down. We're gonna spread the slabs out. Then this last part, I'll get one more slab out of it, and then we'll clean up another little chunk and move on to the next log. Cut up, and Emily brought some other slabs to get kiln dried, so we like played Tetris, can all fit together. This is the last log to slab. It's gonna work perfect to stack on our kiln stack, and then we'll put the mantle right on top. This is gonna be our last one, so we're gonna cut up this chunk right here next. Alright, so we finished cutting up these 3 logs for Emily, and actually yielded some pretty good wood out of it. Nice stack here. And then some of her wood she brought from Florida, we fit it in between to get it all kiln dry. So now we have it stickered up. We're gonna let it air dry for a month or 2, then put it in our eye-dry kiln. So do you have projects already for these, or this material to have on hand?
Just material to have on hand for now. The pecan, I think I've got somebody thinks about it. So
yeah.
Hopefully.
Good deal. So we're gonna go up to the shop and see if those slabs are finished with Tim. She brought back some epoxy slabs to get all flattened out, so that's where we're gonna head to next. All right, to wrap up today's Slaburday Saturday, while we were down there at the sawmill cutting, Emily dropped off the slabs to get surfaced down. These were some bur oak slabs she actually bought from us out of our bargain bin that we had. And of course, our Rustic Lumber epoxy, she bought that whole pallet. And how's that been going? Really good product? Been happy with it?
Absolutely, yeah. So
Good
far,
deal.
so good. And easy to use and turning out great products.
Yeah, nice. All right, so we're gonna get loaded up, finish this day up then.